In this video, I'll show you how to create approval workflows in Monday.com. Open the board where your approval process will be managed. First, make sure your board includes a status column. If it doesn't already exist, click the plus button on the far right side of the board and add a status column. Rename the labels to match your approval stages. For example, you could use labels like draft, pending approval, approved, rejected, and needs revision. Next, add a people column so you can assign approvers or reviewers to specific tasks. If your board doesn't have a people column, click the plus button on the right side of your board and add a people column. Now begin adding items into the board. Each item can represent a document, design, contract, request, or task that needs approval. As work progresses, update the status column to move items through the approval process. Some teams also create dashboard views to monitor approvals across multiple boards at the same time. To do this, go to the top of your board and click the plus add view button, and from the drop-down, select Dashboard. Using approval workflows in Monday.com helps reduce bottlenecks and makes approval tracking much easier for teams. And that's how to create approval workflows in Monday.com.